I came to Orsuihteukwa, also local government area of Imo State, to see for myself the level of destruction that was caused to the community by unknown gunmen. I've visited so many places in Orsuihteukwa, and this place is particularly called Ekeututu in Orsuihteukwa. The popular Ekeututu that Oliver the Kokwe sang about. Let me show you. The market is good. You see? If you knew Ekeututu when it was still in existence, then you would know that it was a very big market. But the activities of unknown gunmen shut down this market, this magnificent market. The number of security men I saw in this Orsuihteukwa, I can't quantify them. I can't quantify the number of security officials I saw. See the vehicle? A victim's vehicle. You see it? A victim's vehicle. I was told the owner of this vehicle was killed. This is the popular Ekeututu. You see? Wait. The level of destruction in this community. People ran away. You only could see just a few elderly members of the community. Then, no, the destruction in Orsuihteukwa is legendary. Very unfortunate. Ekeututu, the popular Ekeututu.
Yeah, my name is Chief. All these villages met to Orsuihteukwa. So we look for a river. It's about even the Dion. My man, I got it. We could do 118 hours. And then after left from Nana as local government Orsuihteukwa. Okay, back I am in now. By Norabo, I go to market. This is particular about the garage in the Ekeututu market. So here I have a very big market, or Ekeututu international market. One of these boys, these criminals there, I'm buying or I'm buying, when you keep your buying, where you're buying. And I thank God today, we are recovering from them. So now you want to buy it totally desolated. One is on the man, when you don't want to know this community. My worker, my wife, worker, my wife, and they are able by that now. All we hire go. Then other people will go away. Thank you.
Total of network can lose. Now this particular financial agitation of Asian making. For the moon, the made Yano Haiti, I want to buy every video, some of the videos, yes, we shall see movement. I'll be hanging with an eye and a cook and move for the my house, Abalioku. Now, so I pick up my mom shot. They destroyed. They got from the guy's parking shop. All the destroyed. I lost everything. family. Nke ahụ ga-eme na anyị ga-ada mba n'ịzọpụta obodo anyị. Thank God na anyị nwere mmadụ dị sị ka ndị PGI ekome mgbe ochie eze anyị kegelegere wee gbada Asaba nọzi Asaba bifọ m ala ebe m nọ ma mee batakwa obodo ka a na-agbakwa mbọ fụ na na-ejikọkwa. Ihe mere anyị siri ike ha bịara iwepụ ndụ m mana Chineke si na oge eru maka na ha gafere m n'ụzọ mana ha maazịkwa na ọmụmụ all ihe ọzọ mmadụ ka ha surrender my house. Thank God for ụmụazị na-egwu egwu n'ihu ya bụ nsi m lekwa ụmụazị a surrender my house nsi n'ọhịa banye n'ezi anya fụ ka ha si wee surrender.